She caught him with other women in her house. Now he won't leave.
Can you also take a look at the email Jeremy sent you and look at the pornography that he sent you of me having oral with him?
I don't have any of that, I'm gonna be honest with you.
He sent it to the court as well.
The judge's jaw drops as a man faces eviction, sparking hilarious courtroom moments. Witness the drama, the shocking evidence, and a case where the truth gets stranger.
When did you give him the 60-day notice?
Back in October.
All right, and you filed this here back on December 29th, okay?
Oh, it's on me. Okay, I apologize.
You're the defendant, man.
Yeah.
He said she gave you the 60-day notice. Did she give you the 60-day notice?
No, I don't have any notice. I don't have any proof of a notice. I don't have any mail. No transactions that came through my mail in regards.
Do you guys live at the same place, or you live in a different place?
She doesn't live here any longer. No, she moved in August. She moved from the property in August. We found the home and moved into the home together when she purchased it back in November of 2024.
Are you paying the mortgage now?
No, I am not paying the mortgage currently.
Who's paying the mortgage?
I'm not 100% sure from what I'm looking at.
How do you think you can stay there though, bro?
How do I think I can stay here? Well,
if you're not paying any rent and you don't have any lease with anybody and it's her spot.
Well, she no longer lives here.
So is this her place or your place?
This is her place, correct.
So just help the court understand that you're saying she moved out, you're not paying her no rent, and you just staying there. Do you plan on moving?
I hired an eviction company and they went ahead and stuck the notice. I actually sent an email with the attached email address for the court. We also had a confrontation back in October and November, and he showed the police officer the notice that he received, and he was complaining that it wasn't legit. So,
did you submit that to the court for us to review?
Yes, I did, through email.
Clerk, can you add that to the, I don't see it yet.
Can you also take a look at the email Jeremy sent you and look at the pornography that he sent you of me having oral with him?
I don't have any of that, I'm gonna be honest with you.
He sent it to the court as well.
Well, he shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
Are you guys still together?
No.
No, we're not.
Left in August. And he had other females in my house.
Because if it's her property, you ain't got no lease and you staying there, I'm trying to figure out why you still want to stay there.
And I wasn't even asking him to pay anything for the last 5 months that he's been there by himself. Also, I have the house up for sale. He also just sabotaged a showing by not allowing the realtor to show the house.
Now, Mr. Edwards, I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to give you an opportunity, brother. Did she give you the notice or not? Because if I find a notice and you tell me she didn't give you notice, I'm going to feel a little perturbed with you. And I'm going to feel like you've been lying to me.
Your Honor, I have not received any notice, no certified mail, anything of that nature.
Let me see if I can share my screen. I'm going to show you what I have, and then you guys can dispute there. Can you guys see that? All right, is that your front door?
Yes, that is.
Is that address?
Yes, that is.
All right, hold on. I got another one. There's another picture. Is that it?
That's our side door. Mm-hmm.
Now, this says October 25th, 2025.
Someone broke in and stole sneakers from out of here. All different.
This ain't a sneaker, bro. This is a notice to leave. You don't remember seeing this? You've never seen this before.
Your Honor, I'm telling you, what I stated was the truth.
This is why everything's evidence. It's a preponderance of the evidence. Okay, this is not a criminal case, and I'm trying to. She's provided evidence that she's done the duty of the law. You're saying no. What evidence do you have to contest that?
The evidence I have to contest that I provided as well. It's many different self-eviction tactics that she utilized as far as cutting off the electric, cutting off the water, cutting off the gas.
How long did that happen? How long did you not have gas or water?
I didn't have electric or gas for approximately 4 days. The water, I was able to catch the guy outside while he was cutting it off. And he just said, fill out this paperwork. I'll keep the water on for now. But that was a scenario there.
All right. So let's do this. I'm gonna go through it real quick. She gave you the 60-day notice. I'm gonna side with her based on the evidence of that. Beyond you're telling me that there is these issues associated with the water and utilities that you were ultimately able to get in your name. Well, is there anything else you'd like to let the court know or raise?
There's several of the things that I've added. She's been harassing me, over 100 phone calls that I've received from this woman. I run a business from home. I have a marketing agency. She goes on my marketing agency groups with multiple fake pages. I submitted this stuff as well. She left comments, nasty comments, personal information on my business pages, things that clients of mine have seen.
Did you you didn't? Okay, that's fine. And I'm trying to see if I can come up. Clerk, do we have any of that as well? Did he submit it? Did you submit that to the court?
Yes, I did.
Hold on, I'm gonna see. Looking for it right now. Here it goes. But I don't see where there's a zip file for me to.
Okay, well, in there's videos of me.
Your Honor, if I attach the incorrect video, trust me, it's not.
You attached the incorrect. Is that what you're telling the court?
Of me giving oral to him.
Well, nobody else knows that, ma'am. But whoever's so you don't have to mention that, okay? You don't have to make it worse.
I'm just confused on how that would be an accident.
No, that's not appropriate.
Why would that be intentional? Why would that be intentional, Your Honor?
Well, Mr. Edwards, is there anything else? Because I'm not gonna lie to you, Mr. Edwards, I've seen all types of things doing this. I will say, Mr. Edwards, some of the information that you provided me in those exhibits, I wasn't able to open. Some of the videos, and I think some of the evidence that you were referencing as far as the evidence of harassment, those particular, not what I tried to click them, but they just wouldn't open for me. But I did see the issues about the cutoffs. So let me just make sure I address it so everybody feels clear. You cannot cut off utilities. That is essentially you trying to force the eviction. Now, for Mr. Edwards, he was able to get them cut back on. Now, like I said, whatever way he was able to get them cut on, he got them cut on, and that kind of partially rectified that issue. But you guys also never really had any formal agreement about rent. You never really had any formal agreement about any payments. And ultimately, right, you guys kind of had a gratuitous tenancy, which she's giving you the notice that she wanted to cancel. So in that regard, I feel like you guys have met she's met the burden to have the writ of possession issue. Now, she's never asked for any money, and I don't see really a basis for counterclaim at this juncture that would entitle you to any money from her. Mr. Edwards, I just want to let you know, I'm going to give you to January 22nd. That's all I can give you. I can't give you more than 7 days, 2026 at 11:59 p.m., okay? And that'll be the order of the court. I really pray y'all get it resolved without more court involvement and it don't go any further than that. But either way, that'll be my order, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you guys are welcome. Thank you.
Your Honor, I have another question though.
Yes, sir.
What if I wanted to further your determination? Is there any way I can go about that?
Yeah, you can appeal. Everybody has a right to an appeal as a matter of law. You got 7 days to appeal.
Okay, and I do that by stopping by at the.
You can speak to them, yes.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
No worries, man.